Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then let's scroll and find Version and localize version number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go to the System and Update and tap on Developer Options. And now all you have to do is to localize this option, Automatic System Updates. In my case it is turned on, however if you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher to turn on the option, obviously. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted and whenever the update is available. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.